Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT for Facebook ads. It's pretty simple to do, and as you can see on the bottom here in the prompt, I have some text here where it says write a Facebook ad. For example, let's say you had a product called the Super YouTube Traffic Tsunami Course, okay? Randomly made that up, obviously. It doesn't know exactly what's going to be a part of that unless you give it some more information. So what I'm going to do is just use ChatGPT as an example here, and then the next one I'll give a little bit more of a description so you can get a better outcome. Let's see what we get. Okay, so introducing ChatGPT, the ultimate language model for your business needs. With advanced AI capabilities, it can assist with a wide range of tasks such as natural language processing, text generation, and more. Let's do write another. So it starts with want to streamline your customer service and automate repetitive tasks. Interesting. Look no further than ChatGPT. I will keep that there so you can, just see what it says. You can pause it if you want. I just don't want to go through and read everything, but we can kind of niche it down and do one step. So, all right, so write a Facebook ad headline. So we just want headlines here. Let's go with that. All right, so let's say we want more. Write 5 more headlines. This one was Unlock the Power of AI with ChatGPT, the advanced language model for businesses. Okay, elevate your business, streamline your operations, transform your customer service, take your business to the next level, and revolutionize your business with ChatGPT. So like I said, you can just do headlines and split it up. Let's say we want to do body copy. So I put write a few paragraphs about ChatGPT for a Facebook ad. I want to be a little bit more specific. Let's see if we get more content compared to this one here up top. Okay, perfect. And we did actually get a few more paragraphs talking about the language model developed by OpenAI. It's perfect for businesses. It's also a great solution. Don't miss out on the opportunity. And it gives a little call to action. Try it out today and experience the power of AI for yourself. So if this was a Facebook ad, you could say click the picture, click the button, click the link in the description, probably give a more vivid call to action. So let's go back to new chat, and I'm going to do something where we have to give it a little bit more description. So 1 second. All right, so I put write a few paragraphs for a Facebook ad about the product YT Traffic Mastery. Then I give it a little bit more of a description so it knows what to work with. This is a YouTube course that helps online businesses generate more traffic and turn that traffic into leads and sales. Let's see what we get. And as expected, it kind of paused because once again, the demand is very high. So I just refreshed it. I'm going to run it again. Okay, so are you tired of struggling to generate traffic to your online business? Look no further than the YT Traffic Mastery, the ultimate YouTube course for online entrepreneurs. Our step-by-step program will teach you how to effectively optimize your videos for search and increase visibility on the platform. You'll learn how to use YouTube ads, collaborations, and other tactics to drive more traffic to your website. Keep in mind, this is something that it pretty much just made up. We didn't give it a ton of details for our description, but we did talk about enough to at least allow it to know something to write about. Turning leads into sales, and you'll have all the tools you need to take your business to the next level. So overall, not bad. I think this could definitely be improved. Like if this was going to be an ad you're running, I'd probably make it a little bit more specific. Maybe I'd talk more about the perfect audience that's going to be picking it up. Obviously, you can do that with ChatGPT, but overall, just wanted to give you a good idea about how you can use ChatGPT for your Facebook ads, headlines as well, or just overall body content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Hope you got some value out of this. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. And I just put ChatGPT. If you have your own product, you can utilize that, but keep in mind, you'll probably have to be a little bit more descriptive because for